I'm Aditi and welcome to another episode of the Fatsoul Diaries. So guys, this week is very special because if you have an Indian best friend or if you know anybody who is Indian, you'd know that they would start blabbering about Diwali. Diwali is one of the biggest Indian festivals. It's where we decorate our houses with lights, flowers, and we light diyas, candles, we light firecrackers. That's the most amazing part. We trade gifts, we go meet our friends, relatives, and basically it's like this huge party where we're allowed to do anything. So in lieu of Diwali, today I'm going to show you guys how to make like these really good healthy sweets. They're Indian sweets and they're really healthy because we're not adding any extra sugar or anything. So to start off, first of all, they're called laddus. Yes, they're called laddus, but not the traditional orange laddu you might be thinking. This is made of dates and fig, dried fig. So first of all, we start off with oats and some cinnamon. So get your mom to roast the oats. Well, I did because I'm this totally mature 18-year-old. Yes, if you watched one of my past cooking videos, you know how bad I am. So just get your mom to roast them for you. So these are like raw oats which are lightly roasted without any oil or anything, and there's a pinch of cinnamon. So put this in a jar. Please try not to drop anything. Yes, and I almost didn't drop anything. So just put it in your mixer. Grind them up nicely so that it becomes powdery. Now you've got to take a bowl full of dates and fig. Now if you want to keep these laddus for a long time, then you can just heat them up lightly in your microwave, and when they cool down you can use them. But if you want to keep them for like a few days, then you can use them normally. I've heated mine, and after they've cooled down, I'm going to add it to this. Use the oats and everything after they cool down. So in this, you add your dried fruit. Yes, I didn't drop anything. I just blend it up nicely. So after you blend it, you're supposed to have something that looks a little like this. Okay, it looks gooey, okay, and very sticky and reminds you a little of Play-Doh, but it's okay even if it's a little like on the dry side. Okay, so now in this bowl I have nuts, all kinds of nuts. You can use any nuts you like. You can use almonds and pistachios and cashew nuts and peanuts. Actually avoid using peanuts because peanuts are fattening. But yes, any nuts that you like that are available for you. And this mixture that we just made, put it in this. And make sure you get all of it. And just mix it up nicely. Now, if you're making an Indian sweet, you should do it Indian style and go all in with your hands. Okay, just mix it nicely with your hands. Feel it in your skin, in your palms. Feel your mixture. And now, make small balls out of it. See, small round balls. There you have your laddu. It's a really easy recipe, and anybody, even someone with cooking skills like me, can make them, and they look really cute. Come on, look at that laddu. Don't you want to eat it? It's really healthy, it's really tasty, and you should definitely try it this festive season. So just make the entire plate of laddus, and just like this, you have all your laddus ready. You can probably put a nut on top of it, or you can just eat them like they are, and they're really good and they're like really comforting food. So eat them whenever you like. You can put them in a jar and store them. So this festive season, make some laddus for anybody who's close to your heart, or make them for me, and and just think about anybody you love, because that's what the spirit of Diwali is about. It's about, you know, thinking about everybody you love, getting in touch with them, and just celebrating festivities together. So I'll see you guys next week. Hit the like button if you like the laddus. Comment below if you have any recipes or any, you know, if you tried the recipe. Comment below if you have any experience with Diwali or trying to wear Indian like I did. So comment below, share, subscribe, hit the like button, and we're not going to be cutting anything out from our diet because it's Diwali. Enjoy. Eat, no, just don't overeat, like hold back on the sweets, but enjoy, have an amazing time, and please be safe around the fireworks. Love you. Bye.